Kosakata atau vocabulary. Mengapa penting belajar kosakata? Mempelajari vocabulary atau kosakata adalah bagian yang sangat penting dari belajar sebuah bahasa, terkhusus bahasa Inggris. Semakin banyak kata yang diketahui, semakin besar kemampuan dalam memahami apa yang didengar dan dibaca, dan semakin tinggi pula kemampuan untuk dapat mengatakan apa yang ingin dikatakan atau ditulis. Nah, mari kita mengawalinya. 1. Warna, colors. Black, blue, brown, dark green, gold, gray, green, light green, navy blue, orange, pink, purple, red, silver, white, yellow. 2. Orang atau manusia, people, baby, boy, children, girl, granddaughter, grandparents, grandson, husband, man, parents, wife, women. Husband, mother, nephew, niece, sister, sister-in-law, son, uncle, younger brother, youngest brother, younger sister, youngest sister. 3. Keluarga, family, aunt, brother, brother-in-law, cousin, daughter, elder brother, eldest brother, elder sister, eldest sister, father, grandmother, grandfather. 4. Tubuh manusia, human body, abdomen, ankle, arm, armpit, back, beard, big toe, brain, calf, cheek, chest, chin, ear, elbow, esophagus, eyebrow, eyelash, eyelid, face, finger, fingernail, forearm, forehead, hair, heart, heel, hip, jaw, kidney, knee, knuckle, leg, lip, little finger, little toe, middle finger, ring finger, liver, lung, mouth, muscle, mustache, neck, nose, nostril, palm, pupil, shoulder, stomach, thigh, throat, thumb, toe, toenail, tongue, tooth, upper arm, waist, wrist. 5. Sayur, vegetable, bean, cabbage, carrot, cucumber, eggplants, garlic, onion, potato, pumpkin, spinach, tomato. 5. Buah-buahan, apple, avocado, banana, coconut, durian, grape, lemon, mango, orange, papaya, peanuts, pineapple, watermelon. 6. Pakaian dan perlengkapan, bag, belts, gloves, boots, bracelet, button, earrings, glasses, gloves, gown, hat, jacket, necklace, overcoats, pockets, scarf, shirt, shoelace, shoes, shorts, skirts, singlets, socks, hosiery, tie, necktie, tights, trousers, umbrella, uniform, vest, wallet. 7. Rumah dan perlengkapan. Attic, eggs, boiler, bedroom, bed, bedroom, blanket, bookcase, broom, bucket. Clothesline, cone, cupboard, cutting board, desk, detergent, dining room, door, drape, fan, fence, floor, fork, frying pan, garbage can, gates, glass, iron, kettle, knife, lamp. Living room, mattress, mirror, mosquito net, pen, pillow, plate, pool, roof, shorts, soap, spoon, staircase, stove, sugar, tea, television, terrace, thumbtack, toilet, toothbrush, toothpaste, towel, vase, wall, wardrobe, well, window, yard. Sekian dan terima kasih.